easy. You do it.
Whoa!
Look at you. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone.
Okay, guys, come on.
Let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay?
Let's go. Come on, everybody out. Let's go.
John. Any luck?
Yes, actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
Right. You were?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out. Here we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
Hey, everybody! Does anybody know what happened yet?
Not yet. Mikey is explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
You did what?
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
If you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
No, please, I'm sorry. Thank you, officer. Thank you.